Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. And if you're new here, then welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video and I hope you consider subscribing. In this video, I will be showing you how I made this really cute peppermint themed wreath for Christmas. Now, I will let you guys know that I am sick and I am trying to get over this cold. So through this video, you're going to hear my voice sound like I have been smoking 2 packs of cigarettes a day for the last 20 years, and I apologize for that. So anyway, if you'd like to see how I make this, then please keep watching. I will be using a 14-inch Dollar Tree wreath frame and 18 pipe cleaners. To wire the wreath frame, I'm going to take a pipe cleaner, fold it in half, and this is just to make sure the legs of the pipe cleaner are even. The frame has 6 sections, and I will be adding 3 pipe cleaners per section. The first pipe cleaner, I'm placing it in the middle of the section, wiring it to the 2 inner rings. Then I'm taking another pipe cleaner and wiring it to the 2 outer rings together, going in about 1.5 inches from the seam weld. Then I'm going to add another pipe cleaner, wiring it to the 2 outer rings, going in 1.5 inches from the seam weld. I will do the same thing to each of the sections, giving me a total of 18 pipe cleaners, 6 in the center and 12 on the outer. I will be using 2 rolls of this polypro mesh from Hobby Lobby. It's 10 inches by 18 feet, and I will be cutting 18 pieces to 21 inches long. I will be making ruffles. To make the ruffles, I'm laying the mesh flat and weighing down one end. Then, with my thumbs in the middle of the mesh, I'm going to be walking my fingers up the mesh, pulling it toward me. It will end up looking like a bow. To add the ruffles to the wreath, I will be placing the ruffle in the middle of the pipe cleaner, with the finished edges going vertically. So with one finished edge towards the center of the wreath and the other finished edge towards the bottom of the wreath. Once the ruffle is in place, I fluff it out. I will continue adding ruffles to each pipe cleaner. Here is the wreath with the ruffles added. Next, I will be cutting ribbon tails. I will be using these 2.5-inch wide wired ribbon from Dollar General. I will be cutting 9 pieces of each ribbon to 14 inches long and dovetailing the ends. So you will have 18 pieces of ribbon cut to 14 inches long. To make the ribbon tails, I'm taking a piece of ribbon, folding it in half to find the center, then gathering it in the middle. Then I'm going to add it to the center of the pipe cleaner, giving it a couple of twists. Then I'm taking the ribbon tails and bringing them down, placing them side by side. I will do the same thing to each pipe cleaner, alternating ribbons. Here is how it's looking with the ribbon tails added. I will be taking this sign from Dollar Tree and gluing 2 pipe cleaners to the back. Before I add the sign, I'm going to go in and cut off the remaining legs of each pipe cleaner by giving the pipe cleaners 3 to 4 twists and then snipping off the remaining pipe cleaner. Next, I'm going to add the sign by feeding the legs of the pipe cleaner through to the back of the wreath. Then securing the sign by twisting the pipe cleaners around the 2 inner rings, and at this point you can either cut off the pipe cleaners or just fold and tuck them down. It's up to you. Next, I'm going to make a bow for the wreath. I will be speeding through this process, but I do have a more in-depth tutorial on my channel, and I will link it in the description box below if you want to go check it out. Next, I'm going to add my bow by feeding the legs of the pipe cleaner through to the back of the wreath, and then securing the pipe cleaners to the 2 inner rings by twisting them a few times, then folding and tucking it in. You can cut the remaining pipe cleaner off if you choose to. Next, I'm going to be adding some cute embellishments that I got from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. So here is the finished project. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!